Hi there. Now there is some practice on the ground how to nurture your skill of being a great adventure riders. You have to focus on slow speed driving. You have to also learn how to make U-turn, how to make very stiff circles, and how to move your bike in the figure eight configuration. And all these needs the friction zone technique. There you have to see how much power you will give through throttle which is coming from the engine, how much is apply brake to the rear wheel, and how much power you will supply to the rear wheel through your clutch. Clutch is really taking power from the engine which is coming to your throttle and supplying the optimum power to the wheel. It should not go below that optimum level, because in that case you will stall, your bike will stop. Or the adventure bikes are very heavy bikes. If you have not given enough power, people say it is not fully loaded, you will fall. And if you are not very well geared, safety boots, ankle guards, knee guards, hip guards, and so on and so forth, you will kill yourself. So I really caution you. Be fully geared physically and be fully geared mentally. Know exactly what to do and then practice in the supervision of some experts. But ultimately it is you and you alone. If you really practice what you have learned, it will take a lot of time. Initially your body will be very stiff. There is a lot of fear because you lack confidence. You have not done any time this. But if you learn all this, today I have learned and I'm very confident. I'm very consistent. Still bike falls because sometimes the nature offers you versatility of the land, the trails, sands, rocks, gravels, muds. They have different kind of contacts, friction, different kind of traction. So there, unless you are very fully skilled, you will not fall once, but you will fall many times. And chance is there, you will spoil your life and break your bikes. So the best lesson is, first master the skill on some small place like that, where there is not much of a challenges, and then you can really go for adventure trips.